This is corn. Corn cloud. That's good. Like usual, we're gonna shuck the corn. Then we have our kernels, and right into a hot pan with some butter. A little bit of salt. And we just want to melt the butter, warm the corn all the way through, and just barely cook it, saving all of that bright, sweet corn flavor. Right when it starts to sizzle and saute, we're ready to go. After about a minute or so, we'll add our milk. And then from here, we're gonna go right into the blender. And we'll just take this, and I like to strain it, but you can skip this step. This just makes sure none of the corn is gonna get stuck in the tip of the siphon. Corn puree. ISI again. CO2. Some basil powder. Corn foam. That's really good. I can't stop eating it.